Hi there, it's the guys here from Dashcam Man. We've just installed an Autowatch Ghost Immobiliser into this Peugeot 2008 2017 plate. We're going to give you a brief demonstration now of how this product works. Keys in hand. Got to start the vehicle. So we're going to pop in our 4-digit pin that we've programmed into this vehicle. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to wait for this glow plug to flash twice, and now we can start the vehicle, and you can see the vehicle holds its revs on the left hand side here, so we're good to go on our journey. We're going to show you what would happen now if you didn't pop in your correct pin. So again, same sequence, switch off the vehicle, key in hand, and what we're going to do now is start the car without popping in a sequence to see how the mobiliser kicks in and prevents a start. So key in hand, and what we're going to do is try and start the vehicle. And you can see the vehicle will not allow the car to start until our pin is popped in. I'll do that now. 1, 2, 3, 4. You get the flash here, and now the vehicle will start as normal. If you're interested in having a similar product installed in your vehicle, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thank you.